pleasure to welcome you to Atlanta. For the local time, it's 9:05 p.m. Please stay seated with your seatbelt fastened, and your carry-on items stowed until the aircraft is parked at the gate and the captain has turned off the seatbelt sign. Be careful when opening overhead bins to avoid injury from any items that may have shifted during flight. In the next several hours, you may receive an email survey from Delta. We welcome and value your feedback and use your responses to continually improve your travel experience. We invite you to download and use the Delta Fly app for all your future travel needs, including checking in for a flight and managing your SkyMiles account. As you deplane, please remember to take a look around your seats and make sure you have everything that you brought on board. On behalf of Delta and this Atlanta-based crew, we'd like to thank each and every one of you for wearing your mask over your nose and mouth throughout the entire duration of the flight and keeping us all safe. We've enjoyed having you on board. We look forward to seeing you again. And if Atlanta is your home, welcome home. Have a wonderful evening, everyone, and thank you for choosing Delta.